Hey, I'm Hester from Hester's Handmade Home, and today I would love to show you how you can make a flower crown using fresh flowers. You're gonna need some floral tape. You can buy this in several different colors, and you need craft wire. It's like a metal wire with paper wrapped around it. And for the flowers, I used a selection. I got some Vernocia, some Ginestra, some Solidaster, some wax flowers, some small roses, and I picked some Eucalyptus and Rosemary from the garden. I'm making this flower crown for little Kiki, who is a 3-month-old baby, but you can make this flower crown for any size head you want. It's all the same way of how to make the crown, and you start by measuring the head. I do this with a piece of ribbon. I just wrap this around the head, cut it to size, that's the length you need for your crown. I'm just checking if it's the correct length, and indeed it is. And then I'm gonna make the crown with my craft wire. I need 2 pieces because mine just came in already cut pieces. I'm just gonna wrap them together to make a nice long piece. And they are gonna be twisted into a circle. And just make sure the circle is the same size as the piece of ribbon you just used to measure the head. And the end bits of the wire, I just put a bit of tape around to make sure they're nice and soft. And with your crown ready, it's time to start adding some flowers. I'm starting with eucalyptus. I'm taking the bottom leaves off, so it's a nice bit of stem to use, and I'm adding floral tape, and with the floral tape you stick it to your crown. Floral tape starts getting sticky when you stretch it, so stretch it and wrap it neatly around the crown. You might want to add a bit of extra tape on the top of your piece of eucalyptus too, just to make sure it stays in this nice round shape. To make it easier on yourself, you might want to cut the tape a bit thinner so it's easier to wrap around the thinner piece of eucalyptus and rosemary. And then you keep adding. I added some wax flowers, and then I start adding a bit of color as well with some Solidaster. And once you're happy with how the crown looks, you can add in pops of color, like this Ginestra. I love this orange. I think it looks really nice with all the more neutral tones in this crown. And you just keep building your crown this way, just with adding more flowers. Like here you see I added some roses and some Vernocia. And it's with the same method, just with the floral tape, wrap it around the crown, make sure your flowers are nice and secure until you're happy with how your crown looks. As you notice, I only put flowers on the front of my crown. It's because it's for a baby and a baby lies down. But of course, if you want, you can put flowers all the way around the crown. I hope you like my flower crown tutorial. It is the perfect accessory for wedding season, and little Kiki sure seems to like wearing hers. This tutorial is by Hester's Handmade Home, and all the clothes in the video are by Children's Salon.